Hello guys, I am going to present the detailed solution of GATE Biotechnology question paper of year 2020. So let's see the first question. Here, the first question is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was conferred blank Mary Kom, a six-time world champion in boxing, recently in a ceremony blank Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Right? So now analyzing as we know in the from the high school that um, at is used when we refer to the building or exact location in a city. So the right preposition which should be used here is it, right? So it should be in a ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan, right? Now there is a phrase which is to confer on or to confer upon, which means to grant something, right? Sorry, to grant something to someone. So the complete phrase is to confer something on someone. Yes. So here Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was conferred on Mary Kom, right? So Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was granted or given to Mary Kom. So the right answer should be on and it, that is C option. Now moving to the second question. Second question is despite a string of poor performances, despite here the keyword is despite, the chances of KL Rahul's selection in the team are dash. Now, uh, since despite means without being affected by, so KL Rahul's selection will not be affected by his poor performance, and his chance of getting selected in the team is great or bright, right? So I've said that bright is the right answer. Now moving to the third question, that is cover uncover associate is here. Select the word that fits the analogy, that is the ratio of cover is to uncover is proportional to the ratio of associate and dash. Since cover means to hide something and uncover means to expose something, so both are antonym, right? So similarly we should uh, find the antonym of associate. The antonym of associate is disassociate, this one. Yeah, so the fourth answer option is right. Now fourth question is hit by floods, kharif the kharif crops in various parts of the country have been affected. Officials believe that the loss in the production of kharif crops can be recovered in the output of rabi crops so that the country can achieve its food grain. So the food target can be met, right? Due to the overproduction of rabi crops, right? Now they are hopeful that good rains in the July to August will help the soil retain moisture. Okay. Now, which helps winter sown crops or rabi crops, such as blah 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 during the, okay. So we can say that sorry, yes, good rain cause retention of moisture, soil moisture, soil moisture. Okay, which in turns gives good rabi crops. Good rabi crops are produced. Hmm. which will what meet, sorry, meet target target of crop production, right? So remember this flow. Now, uh, which of the following statements are can be inferred from the given passage? Option A, officials declared that the food grain production target will be met. Yes, that can be made due to good rains. Yes, good rain give good moisture content, which gives good rabi crops, which finally gives the ta- uh, um, fulfill the ta- uh, production target. So yeah, this can be true. Now the second option, officials want the food grain production target to be made by November to February period. Yes, rabi crops is what do you say, produced during this November to February period. So yes, due to higher rabi produce, production target will be met. Yes, this can be the right answer. Now third option, officials feel that the food grain production target cannot be met. Yeah, this is false. This is completely false. Now last option is officials hope that food grain production target will be made due to good rain. Yeah, this is the right answer. This is the right answer. That food grain target will be made due to good rabi produce, which is due to another region. Uh, Good rabi produce is due to high soil moisture or something. So this is the direct region, and this is the accurate or more appropriate answer. We say more appropriate answer, right? Now fifth question is, yes, the difference between the sum of first two n natural number and the sum of first and odd natural number. Yes, see, sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. For 2n natural number, it should be, for 2n it should be 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2, right? Now see, for actually I don't remember the what is the formula of sum of an odd natural number, right? So let's see. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, right? So sum of first two odd number are 1 plus 3 equals to 4, right? Sum of two odd number is 4 equals to 2 to power 2, 2 square equals is 4. Now sum of three odd number is 1, 3, 5, that is 9. 3 square, sum of four odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 16, that is 4 square. So it is n square, right? So n right, wait, n odd number n square. So we should find the difference between what is 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2 minus n square, right? Which is, now see, we can neglect this one, and n into 2n, 2n square plus 1 into n, right, minus n square, right? 2n square minus n square is n square plus n. So this is the right answer. N square plus n is b, right? Now we will solve the sixth question in next. Yes, till then, thank you.